Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on making your Samsung Smart TV turn off after a certain amount of time. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. This is a great thing to do if you like to leave the TV on while you fall asleep, but don't want it to be on all night. Tap the home button on your TV remote and navigate to the left until you get to settings, and then tap OK to open them. If you don't have a smart remote, you can just tap the settings button on your TV remote. In settings, tap General. Then select System Manager and then Time. Now select Sleep Timer. You can choose one of the preset times by tapping on it. Your TV will then turn off after the amount of time you selected. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung TV tips and tricks.